guys, Michael's going to Great Wolf.
He's going to Great Wolf. Gotta say me.
He's excited to swim. It's gonna be his birthday tomorrow.
He's excited to dance. Michael's gonna dance.
Few inches later.
Okay, we're at the Poconos. Stop over
Alright. Okay.
at Wendy's. So every time we come here at Poconos, we always stop here at Wendy's. Say hi. Good morning. Good job. You have to hold daddy. So hi guys, we're here at Wendy's. We're waiting for our order.
Who's ready to eat? Okay.
Are you excited to go to Great Wolf? What will you do in Great Wolf? Swimming. Because it's his birthday tomorrow. How old will you be? 3. Good job. And you're gonna blow your birthday candle. You'll have your cake. Hi Dad, it's been a long time since we've
last year ba to? Or
vlogged.
last year?
I think the last vlog was my birthday. So
Which
last year,
was
December.
6 months. 6
Because
months.
we've been just posting shorts.
Yeah. Kuhan yun kayo. Nasakit pamitanan yun katawad sa change of season.
Kay Gikag, Florida, nya Washington DC, nya bugnaw init.
Barado kayong ilong.
We tested negative raman sa tanan. Just nasubawan.
Di ko ano siguro yung seasonal flu.
Michael's eating nuggets. Lami. Yes? I like it. You want to open the sauce? No, okay.
Mommy?
This is for mommy? Thank you, Mike. And we'll see you later sa Great Wolf. Mga unsa mi, we're gonna eat.
Hey guys. Bye. Papa dot.
Dippin' Dots. Dippin' Dots daw. We're here. Where are we?
We are at Great Wolf. Say hi. So hello guys. Finally we're here. Hi Michael. Look at mommy. Na-focus ka siya. Okay. Maadto na siya sa lobby. Michael, who's excited? Okay, go inside. Go. Yeah. Show mommy. Birthday house and cheers. Say hi.
Here or here? Here? Come up.
Michael's excited. We're back at Great Wolf. So our room is not ready yet. So we're just planning to change and go to the water park, and we'll just wait for their text. But first we have to get our wolf ears. And daddy. Balidod. Kaya dapat ang kanang ear makita. Dili man kay ang ear ma. Sige ana. Daddy's making his own rules. Yay!
few moments later.
So hi guys! It's May 27. Tomorrow will be Michael's birthday. So here's the setup for his birthday.
Bye-bye.
So we're on our way to get our... Dad, ipakita sila sa atong coupon.
Cake o
Kit
pizza.
og pizza kay ni Abel, si Frey og...
Birthday package.
Michael! Hi! You're gonna get one toy of choice for your gift, okay? Okay? Okay, go. I think we'll get him like something sa Magic Quest, Dad mo. Okay, go. Let's get your pizza and your cake. So we got the pizza. We're on our way to grab the cake. Wood and Creamery. So I'm getting Michael's cake here. Michael's cake, open. Wow. Michael, you wanna see? To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Okay, how old are you? Okay, your hands. Go, fingers. 3. Good job. Okay, eat na ta.
2 hours later.
Okay, guys. Michael got his birthday gift. Look, Michael. Happy birthday. You like it?
Hold here.
Hold.
Hold here.
Hold here. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Yay. Okay, let's go. You wanna take photo with the picture? Go.
The picture.
Picture. Go. Take photo. Good job. Yeah. Go.
Stand beside. Okay.
Hey. You got your toy and you got a photo. Okay, go there in the fireplace or later. Michael is opening his gift. What is it? Wow. So hello guys, they're here at the arcade. Wow. Okay, what will Michael get? Mystery value. Okay, what is it? 26. Yay! Ay,
32.
yay! Okay, next.
Okay, let's swipe.
Me. Wow, Michael won. Go press. Ikatulid lang, palikod ba?
Patulog lang, no?
Oh.
Adlaw.
Sige. Yay! Happy birthday, Michael! Open! Mikey, good, look! Wow! Happy birthday! Oh my God! Yes, Michael got the ball! Yay! So, Michael got the ball! Oh, get! Yay! Okay, hold properly. There! Yay! Say hi guys, I got the ball for my birthday. I'm 3 and I got the big ball. Okay guys, we're lining up to get the bingo ticket. Okay guys, so we're sitting here na kay magbingo. This is my board, Michael's board. And we're gonna start.
Here in the grand lobby. Welcome everyone. My name is Maddie and I'm here with Bella and Raquel and we are your entertainment ambassadors of fun for the evening.
Yay! Frey and Michael won.
Bring your big award up to Bella over here.
Yay!
There you are.
Wow!
Let's see if we have one more winner. Okay, don't erase those boards. We will play for one more winner. So don't erase those boards. Let's play for one more winner. But let's give those winners a little round of applause. Okay, I'm gonna go totally random here. I'm gonna just
Congratulations!
B10.
Yay!
65 and also the total award. 66.
Michael, he won! Michael's ready for the dance party! Who's ready for the dance party? Okay.
Can I hear an even louder howl in your Okay, I think we are ready.
Go! Go, Michael!
Wow.
Okay, show them. What's that? Your gift from mommy and daddy. Go. Wow. You have a wolf rescue. Wow. And then your ball. Oh my god. And your ball, Michael. Where's your big ball? There. Oh, look. Your big ball.
Meanwhile.
Morning, guys. So they have kids yoga. Michael didn't want to participate, so naarami sa game.
We're gonna open up our legs, open up our arms, take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, we're gonna spin over to one side and look up towards the left. You should feel very tough on your inhale. When you're ready, the next pose is standing forward bend. We're gonna bring both of our hands up over our heads. With our feet together, take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, we're gonna fold over. Now we can hang here.
A few moments later.
So we're here at the, unsay name ani dad? Fireside Restaurant. More ang open. Wala sila atong buffet like last time.
The ocean.
Michael is coloring. Michael got the milkshake earlier. I got the cherry Pepsi and Daddy got Sprite. Okay, hi guys. So Michael got his pancit here and fries, and Daddy got the burger.
Orange? No.
Okay, my order just came. It's the chili lime chicken bowl, chipotle style. Okay, how's the food, Daddy?
Wala po kasugod.
Ow. Wala dito yung spoon and fork.
Oh, here.
Oh. Wow! Yay! Is it yummy? Hey guys, nag-eat na mi. Kaon sa mi ha. It's my food. Okay, Daddy, eat your burger. Unsa na imong burger?
Smokehouse burger. Basta daghan kayo.
Wow, labi. Nini and Michael's gonna go upstairs and dance again. So how old is Michael? Okay, kiss Wolf. Say bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you later. I'm gonna dance. Okay, go practice. Kiss. Uy, shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Get off.
Shake it off.
Eventually.
Good morning, guys. It's the day after Michael's birthday and we're checking out soon. Mommy's just gonna... Daddy made some coffee for Mommy. Daddy will heat some water for Michael's milk. So, mag-pack up na me soon. Okay, guys, we're getting ready to check out. Michael, are you ready? Are you ready? No, not listening. Say yes, Mommy. Okay.
Smell Daddy hand. Other hand.
Yung favorite jacket, yun na, gamay na kaayo. So they have a show there. Let's go. Hold Mommy. Oh.
Meanwhile.
Yay!
Are you one? Are you two? Are you?
Me!
Good job.
Love?
Hi, Mama Nini. Someone's ready. Giwear na niya yung shoes gikid.
Best
Sa
two.
safari look.
Intindi. Okay? Pwede na maintindihan. Tapos, ano tawag? So we'll start with a prayer first. If you like, from umpisahan na so that we could start eating. Start eating. Strawberry ice cream.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you. One more time. We'll do it.
Again.
One.
Are you two? Are you three? One more time.
One more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay. You're gonna close your eyes, make a wish, and blow.
Okay, thank you everyone for coming, and lunch continues. Enjoy, and the goal is to be very full.
Few inches later.
Say thank you, Tita Cherry, for my Spider-Man bike. Michael's gifts.
From Ninang Christine and Ninong Ryan. Open?
Yes.
Okay, let's
Say yes,
open.
please.
Dinosaurs.
Dino cars.
Dinosaur cars.
Say thank you.
Wanna open? Okay, so this is from Ate Ebet. Wow. Whoa, very big dump truck.
Who's that from?
Okay, so this is from Happy Birthday, Baby Michael from Tita Ashley.
Yay! Say thank you.
Wow, what's this?
Wow.
Let's open.
Who's
Okay,
that
so
from?
this one is from Tito Mikey and Tita Isa, and also Lila and Mio.
Wow! Truck.
Yes, ooh, also a truck.
Wow! Who's that from?
Okay, so this one is from Let's open. Oh, hala. Wow.
Happy birthday! Okay,
open the card. Happiest birthday, dear Mikey, from Tito Ashok, Tita Cherry, and Ate
Wow!
Abby.
Oh, they gave us that and the big one!
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man! Wow! What's that from?
Okay, so this one is from the baby Michael from Nina, Christine, and Ninong Ryan.
Wow!
What's this?
Wow! Microphone!
You wanna sing?
Yes!
Yes, sing, Mike. Off? Okay, go sing. Sing. Merry wed.
Merry wed. Merry wed. Who's that from?
Okay, so this is happy
From-
birthday, Michael, from the Cabanas.
Wow! Bag!
Hello, Spider-Man bag! Di ba mag-school na si Michael? You will have a Spider-Man
You'll use
bag
your
now.
bag!
From Tita Jan.
Wow.
You remember Tita Jan? Yes. Okay, let's open.
Wow.
Wow, what's this? Oh, hala.
Wow!
Bluey! And this one?
Bluey bag! Say thank you!
Thank you, Tita. Okay. Wow, what's this? Picture of dog.
Yay!
Okay.
Wow!
So this is from Happy Birthday, dearest Michael, and many more to come. Love, Lola Inday and Lolo Ramon.
Yay!
You have
Gift card from
$25
Amazon!
and
Gifts!
1, 2.
Two
2 gifts.
Say thank you! Wow! Thank you!
Spider-Man pajamas. Oh.
Wow! You like it? Spider-Man! And one's a hoodie! Hala, na dyan siya yung new towel!
That towel.
Yay! Sa beach!
Sa beach, yeah.
Wow! Spider-Man! Toothbrush!
Spider-Man toothbrush.
Yay! Who's that from?
Happy birthday, Michael, from
Si Flora
Isabella, Sophia, and
Ka Ate Florabelle.
to Florabelle. Hello, you have new Spider-Man.
Nice! Look!
And you have a police car.
Wow!
And you have
Superman!
Yay! So this is from, let's open.
Hippo! Hello!
Hala,
Money!
naislide kwarta. Happy third birthday, Michael. You grow up so fast and filling the world with smiles. Wishing you a full day of fun, cake, and giggles. Thank you for having us from Tita Elaine, Sasha, and Tito Felson.
Wow!
Aside
Say
from
thank
the money,
you!
have a Spider-Man
Walkie-talkie! Like, you'll be like daddy, you'll say, Michael, gummies!
gummies!
Kamu ka ganahan kasi inko ganahan kasi Michael gummies.
And you have shirt.
Wow!
Crocodile shirt.
Thank you!
There's crabs. Okay, so this is from Lolo Carlet and Lola Malu. Happy birthday, Michael! Oh,
Wow!
there's
Another Spider-Man!
Look
Wow!
You have two na Spider-Man blankets.
Yay!
Okay, so this is from Nino Andre. Let's open. Open. Okay. You have dinosaur.
Wow!
Dinosaur egg. Yes, and what's this? Play-Doh.
Wow!
You have Play-Doh and Play-Doh.
Wow! Say
have
thank
lots of
you!
Play-Doh na. You got Spidey matching game.
Wow!
And also you have, What's this? Rocket launcher.
Mga Spider-Man!
Wow,
Wow, you're gonna play with Daddy?
To Michael, happy birthday from the gala.
Wow! From
Tit-
Luke!
from Luke.
Tita Bern!
Tita Bern,
Mateo
Tito
and Tito Alfred! Hello, luggage!
Luggage, Michael.
For
You have
Philippines!
luggage na. Okay, kung tutusin kay...
Oh,
Meron na siyang...
hand
diba?
carry!
Hand carry.
Wow! Your first luggage!
Open?
Wow!
Wow.
Cute!
Ah,
Muna ang butangan sa iyang mga kaandad. Wow!
okay.
Say
Okay.
thank you, Tita Cherry!
Hey, daddy lang.
Do you like it? Yes, that's for Michael. Say thank you, Tita Cherry, Tito Ashok, and Tita Abby. Abby, say thank you.
Hey, you have your motorcycle na. Ay, hala.
2 hours later.
Face mommy. You like it here? You like Ichiran? Okay. Yes. You like Ichiran?
Yes.
Is it your favorite? What's that? Yellow noodles.
Sus.
Say hi, Mama Ninin. I'm eating.
Video na,
Ayaw pa ng
video.
piling. Ayaw pa ng piling.
Wow.
You like it?